Okay, so hi, this is Ritesh Rao from Podline Technologies, and today we are having our one of most successful client, Dr. Sriranjan, to talk about how was his experience working with us. So thanks for being here, Dr. Sriranjan. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So first of all, tell us about a little bit about yourself and your diagnostic center. Like, what's your business around, and then we'll move ahead.
Right, I am Dr. Sriranjan Rao. I am a practicing radiologist in Bhilai for last 20 years. I run my own private diagnostic center, which has almost all modalities to work with. And I have already used multiple hospital management softwares and marketing softwares, but wasn't satisfied with the complete package of it or the post-sale services for that matter. So I approached Ankit and Ritesh, and they have provided some good solution so far, and I'm excited to use it.
Okay. So, Sriranjanji, I just want to ask, what was the problem that you were facing prior to opting our DMS software?
Actually, the data was not correct most of the times, and the customization we required was not probably properly provided in time.
Okay.
So as our requirements change, the customization also needs to be changed.
Okay. So you
So
were
that
using
was the problem we
you,
were
you were
facing.
using a previous software, offline software, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So and like since how long you were using that software, that offline software?
7, 8 years.
7 to 8 years. And what are
Yeah.
the transitions that you are feeling like when you were using that software since from last 7 8 years, and now like from 1 2 months we have started using the new DMS software that though we have started using 50% of the features, right? 50% of the features are yet to implement.
Yes.
So like what is the transition in your business operations? What is the simplification in your business that you are feeling right now based on your offline experience?
So basically, the designing of this particular software was basically upgradation of what I was already using. So the methodology of uh, billing, the workflow, the parameters we are using, the tests, the booking of test appointments, these were all we were already using. And since I provided those basic data to uh, these fellows, so the designing of the software was customized to me. So it was very smooth, the transition. And with very few initial glitches, the transition from previous software to the new software was not that big a deal. It was quite smooth and quite successful.
Okay. So is does that also improve your efficiency, like in your
Yeah,
operation?
definitely. Yes, definitely it has improved our efficiency because of there are certain parameters we were not able to do a fix in previous software, which was very careful and conscious while designing this particular software, and those things were taken care of right from the beginning. So definitely it was a way better experience.
Okay. And one more thing I want to ask, like, how is your staff's experience using this software? Like now, like with you, your whole staff is operating the like each and every department of yours, your diagnostic center. So, what is their feedback and how it is helping them?
Initially, they were very skeptic
Hmm.
and they were very, what do you say, it's teething problem was there definitely for them because the entire commissioning and entire designing, I was involved right from the beginning. So it was according to my vision and my requirements. So they obviously had to switch from previous one to this one. They had to undergo a learning experience. First, they have to unlearn certain things and then they have to learn something new. So that was very initial phase for about 10, 15 days. They were over it and now they are happy using it.
Yeah, I just remember the experience that we visited your center and we had a talk with all the team members. So like they were sharing their whatever roadblocks they have, and then after we sorted, then they were like their smile got us goosebump. So like they
Yeah.
were sharing their experience, and we have also met with uh, all the every department of software, like radiology department, pathology, everybody. But yeah, one more thing. um, so in the like, I just wanted to know that you were telling when we met for the first day, you were sharing that your support experience was not good with your previous software guy, right? So
Yes.
like, I just want to know that whether we are successfully given you the satisfactory support, or like, what was your experience regarding that? Dr. Sriranjan, you are not audible.
See, initial months that was obviously providing support.
You're
He
not
felt safe
audible. Can you
in a
start
way,
again?
and hold on. Okay. Am I audible right now?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So the previous software person, they were providing good support initially for a few months, first few months. Later on, he lost some employees during COVID, and after COVID, things changed. And after COVID, he stopped providing those support, those customers things he was unable to provide. He was unable to pick our calls in time. So we were facing some issue. As for these people, Ankit and Ritesh are concerned, they are very easily accessible. They are very cordial. They are providing good support to us as of now.
Okay, it will be continued. Like, yeah, like you all are like our
You are
first.
not audible, Ritesh. You got mute.
Am I not audible? Am I audible now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I was saying like,
Now you are audible.
okay, so
Now you are audible.
our clients are our first priority, and we just want the like that transition that happens in the businesses of our clients, and that is the success for our business. The money we make is not the success. That transition of that offline software to online software, that complicated system and processes to a simplified process, that experience that is cluttered between the staff and the organizers and the top management, and the like simplified hierarchy between all the staffs, and the smooth communication between them, smooth business operations. That is what we say success for our business. Dr. Sriranjan, before ending this video, I just want to know if there is anyone watching this video and in the fence of booking a call with us to speak about our DMS and how it works. So what would you say to them?
Ritesh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Your voice is not. Your voice was not coherent for last few seconds. I could not hear it properly.
Okay,
Can you repeat?
let me repeat. Am I audible now?
You're still not audible.
I'm still not audible.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
No, you're audible now.
Okay. So I was saying, let me repeat. If there is someone who is watching watching this video and on the fence to booking our call to speak about us, about our DMS, how it works and how it can benefit them in their business, what would you say to them? Just one message.
See, like any other startup, Ritesh and Ankit have come up with a very beautiful and innovative plan. They are good people and they have a good product. For last 25 years, I have been in practice. What I have realized, there is you have to take a choice between the product and the person. Most of the product is very good. The person we are dealing with person. And if I have to choose between the right product and the right person, I would go for the right person always. In this particular case, the product and the person both are nice. So I would highly recommend you people to the persons I know, and I have got a pretty large circle of mine who are having their own diagnostic setups and hospitals.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Sriranjan, for such an amazing feedback. I hope that was like that's what genuine from your heart. And yeah, thank you so much for being our client. We are pleasure to serve you. Not audible. Now audible. Now audible. Am I audible now? Am I audible now?
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
You are not audible.
अभी भी नहीं. Still, I am not audible.
I'm unable to hear your voice. Ritesh.
Okay. Ankit, am I audible? Can you hear me?
Still. Yes, Ritesh, you are audible.
Okay. So, Sriranjan ji, maybe it's by your side. Am I audible, Sriranjan ji?
Hold on.
Am I audible? Am I audible? Now audible. Okay.
I must be audible now as well, right?
Yeah, sure, sure. Okay. So, so by this, I just conclude.
Am I audible?
Yeah, audible. So, so by this, I'm just
Okay.
concluding that thank you so much, Sriranjan ji, for being our client. We are just pleasure to serve you. We had a great experience working with you. Like, thanks for being that flexible. That we have worked with like all the loopholes and everything that were in your previous software, giving us proper information and resources that during the project. And thank you so much for everything. And we'll be happy to serve like a lot of different diagnostic centers, because we are not here just to work with few people and just go out of industry. We are here with a vision to improve that medical services that people are providing. Those who are having quality services but not having quality process and quality system to reach out to the right audience and to give that outstanding experience to their patients. So we are just here to improve that experience. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let me stop.